समझ के, लेकिन उनको बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि मेरे दादा तो नहीं है।
अच्छा तो अभी कहाँ गए हैं?
ये नहीं मेरा हाथ पकड़े।
Sorry to prolong time. It was just she didn't speak English, so it was a little bit hard to know if she was staying or if she was bringing her bags. Yeah, but everything was good. The officer said that the green card is gonna be coming to the address that it was on the folder, and they said that it will not take a long time. But everything is clear and just good.
Yeah, we kind of
The
worried
green card, they're
about.
gonna send it, right?
Huh?
I think they're gonna send it, right?
Yeah, they're gonna send it. Yeah, they're gonna send it.
Yeah,
it's
we kind of worried. We called the customer.
Yeah. The thing is, because she's a new immigrant, she needed to go to give me 1 moment. She needed to go to a special room where they needed to like check the information for the folder. But that's what took a long time. Because on the paper it says that she has 2 bags. I waited until it was done. So I was like, I just want to make